Hey guys, I'm Jace, and we are Group 2. We are here to explain to you the different patterns we discovered to answer this question. Guess what will be the pattern of the last circle? So, here are our 3 solutions.
Hi guys, I am Nel. Our first pattern is what we call numbering system, wherein we put numbers on each layers like so, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we are going to get a number for every layer that is white. For example, on this first circle, the white colored layer is the second layer, so 2. On the next circle, it's 1 and 4. Then on the last one, 3. Now we are going to do the same to the second row like so, and the third row. So you must ask why are we doing this? Well, as you can see here in the table is presented, at the first row, if you add a number, it is equal to 10. Likewise, in the second row, it is equal to 10. And finally, as you might have guessed, the last row should also be equal to 10. But as you can see in the last row, it is only equal to 9. So the missing number is 1. And when we transform 1, it will look like this. So let's just put it in the pattern and it's now complete. Now off to the second pattern.
Hi guys, I'm Yeshua. Our second solution is the positive-negative pattern. Remember the rules of multiplication on positive and negative numbers? Like positive to a negative is negative, and negative is positive. The same pattern applies here, wherein blue is negative and white is positive. As you can see, looking at the innermost circle of the first row, it's negative. Second circle has white, which means positive. So the third circle will have a negative or blue color. Same goes to the second layer. It's negative. Again, on the third layer, positive. And the fourth layers of the first row, negative. Now the same thing applies on the second row. But we will skip it and proceed to the third row and figure out the last missing circle. So looking from the innermost layer, positive, negative, so this must be negative. Now the second layer, negative, positive, so it's a negative. To the third layer, it's positive and positive, so it's positive. And lastly, the fourth layer, a negative and a negative, so it's a positive. So that's it, the final missing circle using the positive-negative pattern. And now, we move on to the next and last pattern we used to guess what's next on the pattern.
Hi, I'm Carlos.
And I'm Red.
And for our last pattern, it's just like positive and negative pattern called the exclusive or pattern.
The idea came from our discrete math lessons on logic. Basically, exclusive OR follows a truth table like this with the following pattern.
True and true is false, while true and false is true.
The same way with false and true will be true, while false and false will be false. Okay, now this time true shall be known as blue and false shall be known as white. So let's try it, Carlos.
Okay, from the innermost circle, here it's true. False, so based on the table, it is true.
Next layer is false. True. So true. Third layer is true. And true. So false.
In the last layer on the first row, true and false, so it is blue for true.
Again, same goes with the second row. You can try it if you like, but we're moving on to the third row to figure out the patterns of the last circle. So Carlos?
From the innermost here, it's false and true. So, true.
Second layers are true and false. So true.
Third have false and false because both are white. So false according to the table.
And lastly, true and true shall result to false. So
that's
that's it for our third solution, the exclusive OR pattern.
So guys, that is all of our answers. The numbering system, the positive-negative pattern, and the exclusive OR pattern. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed watching. Again, we are Group 2.
Bye!